Good afternoon, Professor. My name is Monica Sharma. Today, I will be presenting my project plan and proposal for Loblaws, especially a smart delivery scheduling platform. In this assignment, I will discuss about the Loblaws, which is my company. It is a Canadian company. It is a Canadian company. In this assignment, I will discuss about the index in which I will cover in this assignment. Firstly, I will discuss this. I will discover about the company program background, project description, proposed solution, project approach size and complexity, project scope, assumptions and constraints, project plan overview, WBS, project schedule and budget, project milestone, smart delivery workflow, project process, and risk management. All these things I will cover in my next slides. If I come to on the background, on the company background of Loblaws, I got to know that Loblaws is one of the Canada's biggest grocery store chain, which is owned by Loblaws Companies Limited. There are many points which I will discuss. It is founded in 1990 in Toronto by Theodore Loblaw and Milton Cork. They opened Canada's first self-service grocery store, and in Brampton and Ontario, these places are the headquarter of Loblaws. It is a part of Western Limited as a majority-owned subsidiary, and operates over 2,500 stores across Canada and employs more than 2 lakh. In 2020, revenue was around $59.5 billions, and if I talk about the sources, the source products globally from the countries like China, India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and other more uh, countries are connected with this. So this background shows that they are very large and trusted company, but they are always looked for the ways to innovate and improve uh, operations, which is where our project fits in. So, if I talk about the project description, we can see that the aim of our project is to improve Loblaws online grocery delivery system by introducing a smart delivery schedule platform. Right now, their delivery system does not always customers to pick specific time slot in a flexibility way. This result is missed deliveries or delay. Our new system will be artificial intelligence and predictive analytics to optimize routes and reduce waiting time and distribute delivery loads evenly across different areas, different uh, provinces. This means the customer can choose a precious delivery window, for example between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., while Loblaw can run deliveries more efficiently and save cost. Next, I would like to discuss about the proposed solution descriptions. In this, we can see that. to make this work and keep delivery reliable, we have a four parts of we have a four parts of solutions. First is diversify suppliers. Do not trust on just a few countries to avoid disruptions, and which reduce reliance. And monitor global risk, keeping an eye on a world event that affect the supply chain. And the enhance ethical standard, better suppliers audits to ensure compliance. And invest in a resilience is talk about the improve logistic innovatory system and teach tech in Canada. This outcome is the loss can reduce global risk and keep operation smooth, even during any kind of disruptions, we can say. All right. In the next slide, I would like to discuss about the project approach, size, and complexity. We can say that in this project approach, size, and complexity, we are going to face this assessment, strategy, design, technology integration, monitoring. So these are the main approaches, and this is a large scale project. It will impact over 2,500 stores and 2 lakh employees. It is highly complexity because it involves suppliers across multiple countries, strict compliances with Canadian law, and new tech infrastructure, and needs to be integrated with the existing system. So these all things are covered in the project approach, size, and complexity. So if I talk about my next slide, which is related to the project scope and project scope and assumptions as and constraints. So in assumptions, if I talk about firstly in assumptions, customer will place order through the Loblaws app or website. All deliveries vehicles have GPS. Staff is available for training and rollout. And on the other hand, if I talk about the constraints, so we can say that the Loblaws has a budget limitation for a new tech, limited delivery fleet during peak times, and must follow Canadian data privacy law. So in scope, we can say that the build the schedule algorithm, integrate it into mobile and web platform, pilot launch in Ontario, and train staff and provide documentation. So if I talk about the out of the scope, so we can say that expanding beyond grocery products, redesigning the whole e-commerce platform for the global delivery. So these are the ways and assumptions and constraints to control the project scope. So next, I would like to talk about the project plan. In this, our project plan include scope and objective, stakeholders, core team, non-core team, project approach, milestone, WBS, schedule and efforts, budget, risks, monitoring, and control. So if I talk about the scope and project, we can say why we are doing this and what the result we want. Like what are the reason that we are doing this. If I talk about the stakeholders, like like in internal and external people involved as customers, suppliers, and executives. So in an objective we can say that say we want to boost the economy of our country, and we want to give a good services to people. So this is the aim of this project plan. And stakeholder is are connected with our goals and our growth, because without them we cannot boost the economy, and we cannot make a good project plan, like right. So if I talk about the core team, so project manager, developer, analytics are involved in this. So if I talk about the non-course team, like legal, finance, marketing, project approach, chosen delivery method, what how we can deliver a product at a customer's place. And milestone, like a key dates, like a kick off, design approval, pilot launch, and a final launch. WBS related to a breakdown of a work into smaller tasks, so that we can do our work on a particular time, on a with a good accuracy, and without any hassle. So budget, tracking planned versus actual expenses, risk, possible changes, challenges, and how to handle them, what are the solutions we have, what are the methods we are following. These all are under the risk. And monitoring and control is related to the KPIs, dashboards, and regular process checks, like what time we have to complete these tasks, how many people should be involved in this work to fulfill the work, to complete the work. So those all are things are included in the monitoring and control. The next, if I talk in a detail about the project milestone, we can see that here are the activity breakdown with estimated cost, like requirement gathering, it is around $20,000. AI development is around $40,000. Backed integration 55,000. Front end UI is $37,000. Pilot setup in Ontario is about $33,000. Staff training like $13,000. Canada wide rollout $60,000. Post launch sport is about the $21,000. So major milestone dates are project kickoff, which is around which is September 20 first September 1st 2025. Requirement finalized September 15, 2025. Algorithm completed to October 15, 2005. Like now, if I talk about the WBS, we can see that in the WBS, like here are how the work breakdown structure. It shows every step for project integration and requirement gathers to integration pilot for full rollout and post launch optimization. So this picture shows help us to track the responsibility, so everyone knows what task they own and what is the due, what they have to do before the deadline. Like we can say that the project initiation, in which we will fulfill the kick off, stakeholders alignment, Requirements and design define a business needs and design solutions. Algorithm design AI based schedule logics, backed integration like connected to ERP logistics system. So all the things are related to the WPS. If I talk about the smart delivery schedule workflow, we can say that this is how we can how the system work will, and steps by step I will describe all the things to you. The firstly the process start when a customer place an order, and then the system record all order details. It checks availability, delivery slot, uh, truck capacity, and inventories. After that, if no match is found, it offers alternative times or sources for from other locations. The system loops back to the check availability again. Once a slot is found, it books it. The customer is notified of the confirmed delivery. So the ensure maximum efficiency and accuracy. This is the step by step how they work. Smart delivery schedule workflow. Next, I would like to discover about the project risk and change management. In the project risk, we can say that we will manage risk by identifying risk early, rating them by likelihood and impact, creating a mitigation plan for high risk, assigning risk ownership to team leaders, reviewing the risk register every 2 weeks. Change request will go through a formal process, submit a request form, impact analysis for cost, time, and scope, approval by the change control board, documents and communicate changes, implement and tag in the schedule. The next risk is issues and escalation. For issues, long theme in an issue track is connected with the issue and escalation. Classify as critical, major, or minor. Assign fixes to honor. Escalate if not resolved quickly. Close only after validation. There are three levels: escalation path, like team lead goes to project manager, then managers and the executive sponsor. Escalated issues must be solved within the period, which is 48 hours. Status and meeting, we will send a weekly status report every Friday, we can say, or any day of the week. So in this we will follow they will follow the progress versus plan, milestone achievement, risk budgets and sources. And meeting will be kicked off meeting at the start. Weekly theme meeting, weekly team meeting for updation, monthly steering committee for the strategy discussions, ADHOC meeting for the urgent issues. Every meeting will have minutes recorded with action items and responsibilities. So I so 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 in this in this assignment I have discussed everything related to the lob loss. This project will transform loss delivery experience. Customers will get precise, reliable delivery slots, and Loblaws will save costs, reduce delay time, and handle deliveries smarter. Through carefully planning, risk management, and phased rollout, the smart delivery schedule platform will be a win for both the economy and the customers. So, in this assignment, I have discussed all the things those are related to the good plan project plan related to the law laws. Thank you, Professor.